Directions. This test has subpart 1, subpart 2, and subpart 3. Each subpart contains various types of assessment questions. The following sample shows a type of question used. You may not use a calculator in subpart 1 of this test. Sample A, multiple select, multiple correct responses. Which 3 equations are true? Question 1, what is 2 100ths plus 7 tenths? Question 2, which decimal has the same value as 68 100ths? 3, a rectangle has an area of 156 square inches and a perimeter of 50 inches. What are the width and length of the rectangle? Question 4. Cindy measures the lengths of beads she is using to make a necklace. She creates a line plot to display her data. Cindy places all the beads into a straight line, end to end. What is the total length in inches of the line of beads? Question 5. A pattern starts at 3 and follows the rule add 4. Select the 2 numbers in which belong to this pattern. Question 6. What is the value of 4,056 plus 2,173? Question 7. Which expression can be used to correctly find the product of 27 and 30? Question 8. Eleanor is making sand art. She puts 1/2 cup of each of 10 different colors of sand in a bottle. How much sand in cups does she put in the bottle? Enter your answer in the space provided. Question 9. Which of the following are prime? Select the 3 correct numbers. Question 10. Using this grid, draw a right angle. Question 11. Angle QRS measures 60 degrees. Ray RQ is shown on the protractor. Using the protractor, draw and label ray RS to form angle QRS. Subpart 2 of this test contains various types of assessment questions. The following sample shows a type of question used. You may use a calculator in subpart 2 of this test. What is the value of 110 minus 45? Question 12. A school needs vans for a field trip. There are 59 people going on the field trip. The school has 6 vans that each hold 8 people. The school will rent additional vans that each hold 8 people. How many vans will the school need to rent to hold all the people going on the field trip? Question 13. An incomplete comparison is shown below. Devin says 13,426 is greater. Bill says 12,389 is greater. Who is correct and why? M. Bill is correct because the ones digit in 12,389 is greater than the ones digit in 13,426. P. Bill is correct because the value of the 2 in 12,389 is greater than the value of the 2 in 13,426. R. Devin is correct because the hundreds digit in 13,426 is greater than the hundreds digit in 12,389. Or S. Devin is correct because the thousands digit in 13,426 is greater than the thousands digit in 12,389? Question 14. Which number line shows a point that represents a fraction equivalent to 6/10? Question 15. Which comparison is true? Question 16. Joey is making cookies. The recipe calls for 2/3 cup of sugar for each batch of cookies. How many cups of sugar does he need for 5 batches of cookies? Subpart 3. You may use a calculator in subpart 3 of this test. Question 17. Use this number line to place a point to show the location of 85 hundredths. Question 18. Jenkins Pumpkin Patch has 760 pumpkins this year. They have twice as many pumpkins this year as they had last year. How many more pumpkins does Jenkins Pumpkin Patch have this year than they had last year? Enter your answer in the space provided. Question 19. Caleb baked 12 batches of chocolate chip cookies. There were 16 cookies in each batch. How many cookies did Caleb bake? Enter your answer in the space provided. Question 20. Think about this situation. A baseball weighs 5 ounces. A football weighs 3 times as much as the baseball. How much does the football weigh? Which equation could represent this situation? Question 21. Of all of Jan's socks, 1/6 are blue. The rest of her socks are red or white. Which expression could represent the fraction of Jan's socks that are red or white? Question 22. John has 200 buttons. He has 5 times as many buttons as Marky has. How many buttons do John and Marky have altogether? Enter your answer in the space provided. Question 23. Ramona bought 17 t-shirts for the soccer team. Each t-shirt cost $12. What was the total cost of the t-shirts?